12 package today, and I'm going to open it because I kind of don't remember what I got. It's like a surprise. Do any of you guys order something and then when you get it you're like, I don't really remember what's in here? Maybe it's just me. Let's see together what I got. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, look at this little planner. It's a keychain, teeny planner. It's called Wanderlust. So it folds and it's really small and cute. Okay, and then what's this? I don't remember, but it sure is cute. Wow. Okay. Little macaron washi tape. Oh, it goes with the kit. It goes with this kit. And look at that. This was a special Paris clip that's part of the kit. Look at that. Paris is always a good idea. That's so cute. And then this is the kit. Wow. Paris in the fall. Oh, look at that little Eiffel Tower and the little macaron, and then there's stickers. Kit includes 2 papers, sticker sheet, journal card, coaster, 3 die cuts, 3 wood buttons, washi shaped sticky notes, and this month's CIY is a beaded bookmark. The extra item is a magnet. Wow. Okay, so I'm not going to open that right now. And then look at this. Aw, it's a little heart or cloud clip. So I can look at that. See what else. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. So this is the Tula XII Travel Planner. There's budget, places to see, inventory, what's on the itinerary. I'm not going to open this right now. That's super fun. This is in the XL size, which is what my planner is, so I like that size. And then I got some of these. They're really pretty. They kind of look sparkly. Okay, so these are sticker tabs. You just peel them off and fold them over. I needed this for my swatch book, and I got the jewel tones because those are so pretty. Okay, impressive, better than I thought. I like that. 10 out of 10. Okay, so this was what I got. Oh yeah, this is this little sticker. This is what I got, you guys. And what I understand is every month, I think, they change this. So this one was Paris in the fall, and I don't know, check it, but it wasn't going to be available like forever. And then they were going to get a new one. So, and these are awesome. So I highly recommend those too. So super fun. This little teeny planner keychain is adorbs. So I'll put links in the description, and thanks for watching.